I don't think I should be giving my opinion as much on someone's clothes anymore. I don't know. I guess Farhan Akhtar was Milka and he was running. So he won the award and he did a great job. I think it's not in good taste to talk about fees and money and no.
Okay.
Can girls ask me questions? Because boys are asking me questions about money and what I eat.
सोनम कपूर है इस वीक हमारे काउंटडाउन पर ऑन नंबर 7 और क्यों, इसकी झलक तो आप देख ही चुके हैं। अब हम आपको दिखाते हैं इस इवेंट के सारे हाइलाइट्स। हाईलाइट नंबर 1। सबसे पहले सोनम ने एक बार फिर दीपिका के ऊपर साधा निशाना जब उनसे पूछा गया कि क्या करण जौहर के शो पर दीपिका के ऊपर किए गए कमेंट्स ने कुछ ज्यादा ही अनवांटेड खबर बनाई, तो सुनिए सोनम का जवाब।
You know, honestly, I realize that a lot of people say a lot of things about me on the same show, but because I go with the spirit of the show, in every show someone has said something about me. But I never react to it. My fans never react to it. I don't comment on it. I don't make a big deal out of it. And I expect people to do the same. But for some strange reason, I make good copy. So people like to talk about things. And I'm okay with it as long as people are talking about me. But since we're here for L'Oréal Paris, I think we should stick to it. But I think it's making a big deal out of something that was supposed to be fun and it was supposed to be in jest. And I got a lot of messages saying that, oh my God, it was so funny and it was really, entertaining and stuff like that. But maybe I think I honestly will start being a little more careful, and I don't think I should be giving my opinion as much on someone's clothes anymore. I can give my opinion maybe on politics, on other things, but I don't know. It was supposed to be a fun, superficial show. So I tried to be fun and superficial and not take myself too seriously. But I think that's the wrong move.
Now, if that was a wrong move or not, we leave it to you to decide. But for now, let's move on to the second highlight. Highlight number 2. Now you got to really take Sonam seriously when she says she loves laughing on herself. Because if that was not the case, then you wouldn't have Sonam giving such an abrupt reason for Farhan Akhtar winning all awards for Bhaag Milkha Bhaag and Sonam not receiving any one of them.
Because I had a 20-minute role in it. I had a special appearance in the film.
Okay.
It was, it's about Milkha Singh, and I tried to do my very best in the movie, and it's, I don't know, I guess Farhan Akhtar was Milkha and he was running, so he won the award and he did a great job, and Rakesh Mehra did a great job as well. This is his 3rd national award. He got a national award for Rang De, for Delhi 6, and now for Bhaag Milkha Bhaag. And I'm just really happy to be a part of award-winning films, including Ranjana and Bhaag Milkha.
You really come across as a content person, Sonam. लेकिन सोनम सिर्फ यहीं नहीं रुकी. Watch out for a third highlight. Highlight number 3. सोनम के केजो के शो के अपीयरेंस के बाद एक ऐसा वीडियो हुआ वायरल जहां सोनम के कुछ तकिया कलाम phrases like "You know what I mean" and her bizarre answers का spoof किया गया, जिसे सोनम ने कुछ ज्यादा ही in good taste ले लिया. Very optimistic, we would say.
It was so funny. I'm sorry, but I can laugh at myself. I thought it was really funny. I swear, every 3-4 days I have a glass of wine with my friends and we watch it. My sister makes a lot of fun of the way I speak, and I have this different way of talking. So I thought it was so funny, and I tweeted it. I didn't know it would go viral because I tweeted it. I thought it was hilarious, and I don't think people have a sense of humor sometimes, but I think it's okay to laugh at myself. So I was like, yeah, I said if I think it's funny, then I'll tweet it. I tweeted it and it went viral. And I got a lot of negative comments for it, but a lot of people thought it was really funny, including myself. So I did it. I don't think that
Have you cut down on "I know what you mean"?
No, I haven't. It's like my dad saying fantastic, amazing, and I'm not an extremely articulate person because my mind's usually all over the place. I'm very flighty and I'm a Gemini, so I have 8 different things that I think about. So I'm constantly explaining to people, I'm like, do you know what I mean? Does that make sense? And it's like this, I'm eccentric in a way, so it's just something that I use a lot. But then when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, I really use a lot of that.
अब मिस कपूर के ऐसे स्टेटमेंट सुनने के बाद why shouldn't we call Sonam the buzz maker of this week?